So I've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and let me show you how to switch storage space so that you save your recordings and your photos in the internal storage. Okay, so to do that, just go to your camera settings. You can just swipe down and then swipe across, and this is where you can switch the storage quickly. So currently storage is on the SD card, which means everything I record or any photo I take will be saved to the SD card. Now I have 58 gigs on the SD card and 47 here. So if I want to switch to internal storage, I'll just tap on internal and then tap on confirm. The memory that is highlighted in yellow is the active memory. So currently my internal storage is the active memory. And that is how to store your videos, your recordings to the internal memory. So now anything I record will be saved to the internal storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.